KingPachino, aka Mr. King Crypto, himself is in the building.
What's up, everybody? It's your boy, Mr. KingPachino, aka Mr. King Crypto, and I'm back with another banger. Welcome to the Millionaire Crypto channel, guys. You already know. Make sure that you like, subscribe, click that notification bell button so you get all the notifications anytime I drop. You know we're going to come with these bangers, guys. Let me put my disclaimer out there. Remember, I am not a financial advisor. I am simply documenting my journey on the largest wealth transfer in the 21st century. And make sure anytime that you invest, make sure that you only invest what you can afford to lose. Now, we're going to dive into this today, and we're going to talk a little bit about the drip updates, and I'm going to show you guys how we can actually take profits along the way, which is very important. But check this out. Hey, buy 365%. Hey. All I really need to hear, dip. Come on. Hey, y'all know what time it is. Let's go. Hey, we're going to talk about these updates as y'all can see, guys. Y'all see what time it is. Hey. Come on, man. Let me stop playing with y'all. You know. Hey, guess who's back? Guess who's back? Hey, guess who's back? Hey, guess who's back? Yeah, guess who's back? KingPachino, I'm back. Yes, sir. So, guys, let's look at today's updates this morning, guys. I'm giving you that drip morning. I'm giving you that drip morning, like your cup of coffee in the morning. You getting your drip morning on right now. So yesterday, guys, I talked to you a little bit about knowing how to move, right? You got to know when to buy, and you got to know when to take profits, and you have to know how to hydrate. Those are the three that they say good things come in threes. These are the three things you must become very good at. You must become a very good steward at learning when to buy, when to take profits, and when to hydrate. All three of those things you have to become a good steward of. And so yesterday, guys, I wanted to show you. Yesterday we had a small bull run, just a small bull run. It went from the mid-30s or so into the mid-40s. A small bull run, guys, okay? And in the midst of that bull run, as you can see here, let's go. It started somewhere around here. Let's go down here. Let's check it out. It was somewhere around here, 33-ish. Let's see. Yeah, so it was somewhere around here, guys. As you can see, $33.91. And then it went on to a little baby bull run, right? A baby bull. But I noticed that it was a bull. It was forming, guys. So whenever I noticed it forming, I stopped hydrating because I knew that my available balance was going to grow fairly quicker than it normally would if the price was at the same amount. So I stopped hydrating, and I rode this little wave right here. As you can see, it went from 33, 36, right? Touched 37. I just stopped hydrating for a while, and I just rode this ride, guys. As you can see, 38, right? Let me see if I can get it to move over some more. Hold on. It's stretching. Hold on. Let me get this thing right. Sometimes it's a little tricky. There we go. See? Then it hit 40, guys. You see? Once it hit 40, I was like, yep, I'm on a bull run. I'm on a baby bull run. So it kept going, guys. As you can see, it went all the way to $44. Did it go higher than that? Let me see. Nope, it went to $44. So, guys, what happened was once it hit $44, I stopped hydrating between 33. When it got to about 34, I stopped hydrating because I started seeing it form. And I just let my available balance stack up, guys. And when it hit $44 right here, I was watching it last night. When it hit $44 and then it came down to 43, I took my profits. When I saw the first sign of it starting to take a little baby dip, I said, let me go ahead and take some profits. So what did I do? I went ahead and took my profits. I moved my drip over to BNB, and I moved it over to BNB and moved it to my crypto.com wallet, and I exchanged it for another coin, my AVAX, because I wanted AVAX because I'm preparing my AVAX for another investment. So I took my profits along the way. Now we're back down into the 39s. which is great. I'll let my available balance stack up, and depending on what it does, guys, if it stays somewhere at this point, I'll continue to hydrate. I'll start my hydration again, but I'm going to have to watch it to determine what I'm going to do. So at this current time, I'm not going to hydrate at this moment. I'm just going to watch it for a little quick second, right? I'll watch it for the next day, right? And I'll see what it's going to do. If it stays in the 30s, then I'll hydrate a little bit, get my hydration on. If it goes into another bull run real quick here, then I'll just ride it and not hydrate for a little bit. Because you got to be able to take profits, guys, along the way. You'll be fine. Don't think there's something wrong with taking profits, guys. Okay, don't let anybody tell you, oh, no, don't take profits. No, everybody takes profits, okay? All the whales, they take profits too, okay? And so you want to know how to do that. Let's take a look at my updates here, guys. So right now it's $39.27 right now for the drip. Let's take a look and see how many people. I know we're getting closer to 100,000 people. 99,299 people, guys. So we're getting closer and closer to 100,000 people with drip, guys. Very, very powerful as well. Let's look at some of my updates here. Boom. Okay, now, guys, this is why I took some of the profits. Yesterday, my available balance went all the way up to about 2,500. You see? So it came back down to 2,200. That's like $300 or whatever that has come down just by those few cents, going from 44 to 39, right? But I took some profits along the way, which is that's why you have to take profits. Now I have $6.85 in my available balance. I could hydrate that if I want to, right? I could wait a little bit. I know I'll make about $22 a day, so I'm going to let it stack up for the day to see if I want to put that 22 in, or do I want to wait? So we'll see what today does, and that's what's going to determine what I want to do, right? Do I want to put it in, or do I want to hold tight? But that's how you got to look at it, guys. That is very, very important. Now what I want to do here also, guys, I want to take a look. Let's look at our, let me go here to my corporate site here. Remember, worldclassmovement.com, guys. You can come here. I have everything already built for you in here under the crypto tab. You can see multiple investors' investments. So I have my drip resources. From my drip resources, I can look at the drip analytics. From the drip analytics, guys, I'm able to go in here, look at all the analytics. So today we have 107 people that have 107 new accounts today, guys. Okay, for the month, 2,824 for the month, 6,659 people in the faucet. I always look at this number too, because you want to look at how many people are coming into the faucet, because the people that are coming into the faucet, they're going to have some things that they're going to have drip that's staked in the faucet. Okay, 99,261 people total. So that means, it's about 33,000 people that's not in the faucet. Those are people that's going to use the strategy of they're going to buy low, sell high. Okay, so you got to understand that people are going to buy low and sell high. So what comes up is going to come down with drip, because not everybody's in the faucet. That's why you have to be a great steward of 3 things. What are those 3 things? Say it to yourself. Did you get it? What are the 3 things? The 3 things is you got to know when to buy, when to hydrate, and when to take profits. Right now it's at about 39, so this is a good time right now. If you want to start hydrating again, if you took profits, then that's great. If you want to start hydrating again right now, you can, right? And you can watch it to see if you get another little dip. 39 is good from 44 to buy in. However, you do want to kind of watch it a little bit. If you can see if it goes back down to maybe 33, 34, 35, those are good entry points based on the chart. Not saying that it won't ever go past that, but at this current time, guys, 33 to 35 is a good entry point based on the chart right now to actually buy in, to maximize your profits. Okay, so you want to look at those things. Also, really quickly here, let's go back to my corporate site here, which is worldclassmovement.com. Where are we at? Oh, I think I already changed it. Let me go back here. Let me hit the back arrow. Yeah, and then let me go to the drip calculator. So based on the current price right now, by next year of January, let's see. Let me get my dates right. I want to look at my projections. This is by February. Let me reduce these days. Let's try 300 days. Well, no, let me try 260 days. Let's see where that's going to put me. 260 days. Yeah, by December the 24th. Let's do 265 days. 66 days. 67 days. New Year's Eve. So, projection shows by New Year's Eve, guys, but you continue to hydrate right now. I'll be looking at $229.62 per day, guys. Okay, so that puts me somewhere in that $8,000 plus per month. We're just simply hydrating. Remember, I do have other investments, guys. That's why I'm taking profits along the way, because I'm setting up multiple pots, because I want to be able to have multiple places paying me these kinds of amounts. And so that's why you got to learn how to take profits so you can play with house money. If you learn that strategy, guys, you will not be worried about the price of drip, because you would have already at some point been of taken all of your initial investment out, because you've taken profits along the way. So you're playing with house money. Currently, right now, I'm playing with house money, so it does not matter what the price is, guys. When I got in this thing, I got in it in December, and the coin was about 50 bucks. December the 23rd. And I invested a couple $100. I invested like $400 or $500. Okay? And I only had a couple drip with that, because drip at the time was about 50 bucks. Right? Now, currently, when you look at my situation with drip, I want you to really think about this. Let me put you on some game real quick. Let me go back to the browser and show you something, right? I'm going to shine some perspective on this for you guys, right? This is why you have to put some respect on drip. I want you to really look at my wallet here. Now, on December the 23rd, I invested $50. I mean, about $4.50. And the coin was about $50 a pop. So that means, guys, with that, I got a little less than 10 coins. At least 10 splashes. That's it. So at December the 25th, my deposit was at about 450 bucks. And that's when the price was at $50. It was more expensive. Currently, right now, the coin is $39. And I have $2,274 in here. And it's less than what it was. This is why I don't worry about the price of drip. I worry about accumulating the asset. So now here I am with over $2,200 in my deposit, and drip is $39. When I started off, it was $50, and I only had $450. See, because when people were worried about the coin going down, guys, I wasn't worried about the coin going down when it went up. What I worried about was constantly hydrating. When I first got in, guys, I didn't care. I was just hydrating, and, just getting accumulating the asset first. I said, let me get some more of this asset. Now, I'm halfway where I want to be, because I want at least $100 in my deposits, right? But I'm working my way there, but I'm also taking some profits along the way because of how far it went up and how far it came down. I got to take some profits so I can invest into some other things. But I'm definitely going to be hydrating like crazy. It's just that I know during the bull runs to take a little profit. It only makes sense to take a little profit. The price going to go down anyway. So I might as well take some profit. If the bull run goes up, I might as well take some little bit of profits in the bull run, because I'm going to lose that money anyway, because the price is going to come down, because the people outside of the faucet is going to take profits. And some of the people in the faucet is going to take profits. So you got to move with the herd and take a little bit of your profits, right? And it's okay if you take profits, because guess what? It might bring the price down a little bit, and that gives you a great entry point to buy back into drip. So keep that in mind, guys. Wanted to show you that. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. I'll be back with another banger. You know I'm coming to you live from the phone, guys. I got to mix it up so I can give you that content back to back. Give it to you from the phone in the morning. I get you up, get you ready to go, pumped up, dripping, not slipping. You You already know what time it is, man. Let's make this thing happen. Make sure that you like and subscribe. If you're not a part of Drip, guys, go into the description below. I have my buddy address. This is a referral system only, so you have to have a buddy. You can use my buddy address, guys. Pop that in. Join the Crypto Millionaire Squad. I have a Facebook group and a Facebook chat as well. 2 Crypto Millionaires is also inside of the description. Join the squad, guys. Let's drip, never slip. Let's make this money together. And like I always say, we won't see you at the top. We'll see you over the top. Because, hey, you're built for greatness. 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 I'm on the phone today. Hey, 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 and I'm gone. I'm gone. I'm gone. I'm gone. I'm gone.